come with me to McDonald's to get a Powerpuff Girl blind box. So I originally saw these McDonald's picnic boxes in Vietnam, but they didn't have any when we went. So when we came to Thailand, I had a little look, saw the Powerpuff Girl blind, that they're doing Powerpuff Girl blind boxes. So I was like, I have to get one of those. They're apparently 450 baht. There's 3 available, I think. Pink, blue and green. I don't know the Powerpuff Girl names. So I'm gonna have to go grab one. We have arrived. Fingers crossed they've got some. I am not a matcha girly, so I will not be getting that. Dun, dun, dun. I did get one. Don't know what colour it is yet, but pink box might mean pink push pals. We'll see. I'm going to open it when we get back to the hotel because the music's loud and I want to see properly and enjoy it. Obviously dragged Adam along for the journey. He's here for moral support.
Need moral support, you got enough there.
Could have got all 3, right? Well, to be fair, you don't know if you you don't know what you're gonna get because you don't. It's literally a blind box. You don't know what colour. The box is pink.
I mean, I actually love that you're just holding the box there. It's pure excitement, is that?
I'm hugging it.
It's like a little child when they get given a gift and it's all in the box and it's just carrying it. It's mine.
So from what I've read, they are exclusive to Thailand. Only released on the 31st of March, and I think it's going up until May. So if you are coming out, you might have time to get one. But I'm dead excited to open it. And apparently, it's like a little purse. So it actually like zips open. Oh, 450 baht. I don't know if I said that.
No, I think you missed that bit out actually. 450 baht.
I might have said it.
That's not bad though.
It's not bad. It's like what, £12?
You don't even know what it looks like yet.
No, I don't. It might
like
be.
This small.
It might be a load of crap.
As soon as you open it, it could go to dust.
I am a marketer's dream though, because I bought the Labubus. And I did end up going for this bag, so I don't know if I said that, I said that I didn't want the green, but the green might go best with this bag. I don't think I want the green. Pink or blue for me. Cargo, not the baby. Do like a blind box. We did see Popmart on the top of Ban Na Hill, can't remember, in Vietnam. And it looks like the most beautiful Popmart ever, but this could be a second because this looks amazing. I have not opened my one from McDonald's yet, so I will do that. Oh my god, they've got a Popmart cafe. Oh, I did see the Popmart cafe. Imagine if we got little Labubu cakes. This looks like it's in Thai traditional dress. Long tail boat one. That one is limited to Thailand. Oh, these are cute. little badge until she breaks them. Sold out.
I would definitely go to the back one.
Oh yeah. Putting the Disney originals back for the Stitch. This is the original one. I want a good one to take to Disneyland Paris. I love Lilo and Stitch. Well, I love Stitch. So I don't want to risk getting the funny looking Mickey. So I'm not getting it. I'm going to stick with it. Nah, not for me those ones. I reckon they're the next big popular ones, but not for me. Cannot be tamed. Got four items. Bear in mind I've already got 3 Labubus. So I did the McDonald's blind box, but I actually never opened it because life got in the way and we've got a baby. So I bought this a few days ago, but we've moved now to Bangkok. So it's still sealed, not opened. Still no idea what it is. So I thought I'd group a blind box video together because I've also been to Popmart and it was stunning. It was in the Icon Mall. So I had to get a few bits. I was just going to get maybe one, but I ended up coming out with 4 things. So I'm going to do a big unboxing video. So let's start with this one first. These are, I believe, only in Thailand. There's 3 colours. I want pink or blue. The green would be cute because I did just buy this new bag. That would look cute with this. But I just don't want it. I don't know why, I just don't want it. Sorry if you love the green one the most. Let's see. It's a really pretty box, by the way. It is, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it has got like a little glisten. And this is for all the 90s girls that love Powerpuff Girls and Nickelodeon. Cartoon Network, I mean. Same. I was expecting pink because the box is pink, but we have a blue one. Let's see. I quite like things that like you can't get in your own country, and obviously these aren't available. Oh, it's actually so cute. She's got like a little, looks like a chicken burger. I'm going to call it a McSpicy because that's my favourite burger, especially in Thailand. The McSpicies are very good. And this one is actually a purse. You can actually put some things inside it. Super cute. I'm happy with that. That one was, by the way, 450 baht. And so that's about £10.50. But I love that. Let's see if it goes with the new bag. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, that looks cute. That's so much nicer than I thought it'd be. They did have a whole menu of Powerpuff Girls food stuff. Like, I think it was like garlic chicken nuggets and a matcha McFlurry. I didn't get any of that. Got a crispy Coke though. Crispy Coke and a McSpicy. Delish. So, up next, Popmart. Now, this is one that I actually wanted at home. They do sell this in England, but it's always sold out. I've never been able to get it. Love pumpkins, love Halloween, so that's just so me. Super cute. This was 850 baht, which is about, it's just short of 20 quid. So I think that's cheaper than what it is at home. I think it's like £26 or maybe more, I can't remember. That's so cute. That on a black bag. Yes. Oh, these are now the blind box bits. Obviously I know what that one was. I don't know which one to do first. Let's do the Stitch one. So I did originally pick up like Mickey and Friends, but I didn't like the Mickey or the Minnie, and knowing my luck I would have got one of those. So I went for the Stitch one because I love every single Stitch one. Maybe I don't love the Pinocchio one. But there's 9 to choose from and a secret. So if I get the Pinocchio one, I've been a bit unlucky. These are little characters. Not sure if it'll focus. So let's have a little goosey gander. So let's peel this bad boy. I wonder if these have got, the normal Labubus have like the little card at the bottom that gives away what colour it is before you open the bag. I wonder if these are the same. If so, I don't want to look. The little bag. So this Stitch one, before I open it, was 550 baht, so just a little bit more than the McDonald's one, which is about £12.80, which seems so good to me. It's well cheap. Oh, I can see a little bit of it. I seen some yellow. Oh, it's a Winnie the Pooh one. Oh, love that. So we are going to Disneyland Paris. It's very soon. So I'm going to be having this bad boy on my bag there. Gorgeous. Love it. Love it. Well worth the money. And might I just say that that store was amazing. I could have spent hours in there. Not that Adam would have been happy about that. And they do come with the card at the bottom. Cute. This is the Monsters 10th anniversary. And it's like a little key. It's a phone charm. I'm thinking I could put that in my bag. See if it'll focus. So on this one, they're all cute. And Adam actually picked this one out for me. So let's see if he did a good job. This one was, don't know how much this one was. This one was 380 baht, which is £8.85. It looks like it's blue or green. Blue and green. And this will go together perfectly. And it does clip onto the bag. Let's see. I think you're supposed to hook your phone onto it. Not sure how much I trust it to have my phone on. But that's so cute. So you get a little Labubu here. And then here as well. And the little Popmart logo. Love that. Oh, they don't look like all of them. It says the monsters, but not all of the little charms on them are Labubus, I don't think. And then finally, the one I'm most excited for. And the monsters Sanrio characters. So they've all got little outfits on. And every single one of these look amazing. And I did want more than one, but can't do it. I've already got enough. Too many. So let's open this one. And the boxes on these are so satisfying to open. Can't tell from the bag yet. Looks a bit pink from here. Oh, what is this one? Oh, it's cute. Kurumi. She's got a little dress on. She's a babe. To mention that this one was also 850 baht, which is again just short of 20 quid there. And this also comes with a character card. So cute, so I don't even need to buy her an outfit because she comes already dressed. Love it. And that one can go on any bag. Also, I think the bag's super cute. I'm pretty sure the ones in England are just plain that say Popmart on the bottom. So we have the pumpkin one. Could be my favourite. Oh, I don't know actually. Looking at them again, it might not. Then we have Sanrio in her little purple dress. Love. We have Stitch. Winnie the Pooh Stitch, of course. Then this fun Powerpuff Girls little purse, plus the little charmy charm. I think I did pretty good. Go back already and get more. Let's see.